Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto shakshuka recipe. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to make some shakshuka, which is a Middle Eastern dish that's really delicious, and I'll show you how to make it keto, which is really, traditionally, it's pretty keto. So we're just making it, reducing the carbs a little bit more, but traditionally, it's, you know, a tomatoey sauce with some peppers and maybe some onions sometimes. And then when you cook eggs in it, soft cook some eggs in it. And it's so delicious, so delicious. And it's actually a keto vegetarian recipe. So let's get started with that. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil into my cast iron skillet here. And I'm going to add in a half of a diced bell pepper. This is an orange bell pepper. The recipe calls for green bell pepper. It doesn't matter. You can use whatever color pepper you want. So we're just going to cook these until they're soft in just a few minutes. We don't want them to get mushy. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and a teaspoon of ground cumin. This is just going to bloom the spices, really bring out the flavor of the spices. We're going to cook this for about a minute. Okay, now this is where the keto comes in. So I'm going to use this is a 32-ounce jar, but the recipe calls for 28 ounces of marinara sauce. I use Rao's because it has no sugar. So I'm not going to add all of this. So just about that much. So we're going to stir this in, and using that keto-friendly marinara sauce is going to really help cut down on the sugar in this recipe. So now it's time to crack in the eggs. We're going to crack in 6 eggs into our sauce, and then we're going to cover it with a lid and let the eggs set, the whites set. So what you want to do is just kind of make a little well or a divot. I'm going to turn the heat down to just low for now, and I'm going to crack an egg into the little divot. Okay, so I'm going to keep it on medium-low heat, and I'm going to cover this with a lid. We're going to let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just until the whites are set. And then we're going to add our toppings and it'll be ready. Okay, our eggs are set, the whites of our eggs. So now we can add our toppings. I've got 6 chopped Kalamata olives that I'm just going to sprinkle on here. You could do more olives, definitely, if you like Kalamata olives. You don't have to do Kalamata olives. And I've got some fresh cilantro, so pretty. Some other great toppings, and what's traditional is also crumbled feta cheese. That would be really, really delicious. So let's spoon some of this out onto this plate. Looks so pretty. And you can see our eggs are still a little, you know, like the yolks are still soft, but the whites are set, and it looks fantastic. If I can get some on my spoon. That's so good. I forgot to put pepper on here. Let me put a little bit of pepper. And I'll put pepper in my plate. Guys, be sure you check out this recipe. It is linked in the description below. And also check out this recipe here, this video here, for some keto peanut butter cookies. Have some shakshuka, then make you some peanut butter cookies. Totally delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.